carrying out wiring or harness repairs or fitting new connectors, they need to be insulated. And heat shrink tubing is the ideal solution. So bring on the Laser Tools Rechargeable Heat Shrink Tool Set. The set comes with a USB rechargeable heat shrink tool, plus a selection of tube sizes and colours from 2mm diameter up to 9mm. Using it couldn't be simpler. Remove the plastic lid, push the switch to the on position, and press the button to engage. The coil heats up instantly, giving you the ideal temperature for heat shrink repairs. Now let's get started. Slide the heat shrink tubing over the exposed wire crimp. Then move the heat shrink tool back and forth over the heat shrink tubing. Roll the wire to ensure even heat distribution. The heat shrink tubing supplied has a shrinkage ratio of 2:1 and remains very flexible after shrinkage. Damaged or cracked insulation is easily repaired provided the wiring is sound. The tool also features an LED torch to assist with repairs in light restricted areas. A quick, easy and very professional repair. A great feature of this tool is the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Simply plug in the supplied USB lead to a PC or USB power adapter. When the charging light changes to green, you're back in business. The Laser Tools Rechargeable Heat Shrink Tool Set, available now from your nearest stockist.